This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone message notification sound not working problem. The first solution is make sure to disable silent mode. Then open Control Center, and if you enabled Do Not Disturb mode, make sure to disable Do Not Disturb mode from here. And then go to Settings, tap on Sounds and Haptics, and here make sure to increase ringtone and alerts volume, and then tap on Notifications, and here scroll down and tap on Messages, and make sure to enable Allow Notifications from here. And now you should get message notification sound on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.